In the realm of language, pronunciation is the key that unlocks understanding. It's the difference between being merely heard and truly understood. In the vast tapestry of English, pronunciation is a crucial thread. It's what brings clarity to our words, adds color to our expressions, and shapes our unique voices. And when it comes to mastering English pronunciation, few names ring as loudly as Aiko Hemmingway. Aiko Hemmingway, an English pronunciation coach, has turned her passion for language into a thriving career, boasting a six-figure income. With her keen ear and sharp insights, she has helped countless individuals perfect their English-speaking skills. Her specialty? American English pronunciation. She decodes the rhythm and melody of the American accent, helping her students to not just sound right, but to feel right when they speak. Aiko Hemmingway, a name that has become synonymous with English pronunciation mastery. Her story is an inspiring testament to the power of pronunciation. Every master was once a beginner, and Aiko's story is no exception. Like many of us, Aiko Hemmingway embarked on her journey with a humble start. As a novice, she grappled with the nuances of English pronunciation, making her fair share of mistakes along the way. But these stumbles were not setbacks. Instead, they were stepping stones on her path to mastery. Aiko faced challenges head-on, with determination and resilience. She dove deep into the language, dissected its intricacies, and learned to embrace its complexities. Her journey was not an overnight success, but a gradual and steady climb to the top. Over time, Aiko honed her skills, refining her understanding of English pronunciation. She built her reputation in the field, one client at a time, through her unwavering commitment to excellence. Her name became synonymous with quality coaching, and her impact resonated far and wide. From a novice to a master, Aiko Hemmingway transformed her life through the power of pronunciation. Success is not the destination, but the journey. And what a journey Aiko Hemmingway has had. From a humble beginning, Aiko Hemmingway has transformed herself into a powerhouse of English pronunciation, guiding countless students on their path to fluency. She's not only mastered the art of pronunciation herself, but she's also made it her mission to empower others with this vital skill. Her journey is a testament to the power of perseverance and the potential of a well-honed skill. Through her meticulous approach to teaching and her unwavering dedication to her students, Aiko has turned her expertise into a profitable venture, earning a six-figure income from her coaching. But her success extends beyond the financial. It's in the confidence she instills in her students, the barriers she helps them break, and the world she opens up for them through the power of well-spoken English. Aiko Hemmingway, a beacon of success, illuminating the path for all who wish to master English pronunciation.